Good morning, students. Yesterday I have explained about physiographic divisions of India. Which are the physiographic divisions of India? Yes, the physiographic divisions of India are, so these are classified on the basis of physiography. India classified into 4 divisions. One, northern mountain. Second one, northern great plain. Third one, the peninsular plateau. Fourth one, coastal plains and islands. Dear students, the first physical division of India, that is the northern mountains. I have given information about northern mountains which are located in the north. These are highest ranges of the world. This northern mountain, it consists of 3 parallel ranges. Which are the 3 parallel ranges of northern mountains? The 3 parallel ranges of northern mountain. The first one, Greater Himalaya. First one, the Greater Himalaya. Yes. Second one, the Lesser Himalaya. Third one, Shivalik or foothills. Yes. So these are the 3 parallel ranges of Himalayas. Student, you should know that which are the highest ranges of the world. Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges of the world. In that, this northern mountains consist of 3 parallel ranges. One is Greater Himalaya, second one is Lesser Himalaya, third one is Shivalik or foothills. It is also called as a Greater Himalaya, is also called as a Himadri. Greater Himalaya called as Himadri. Next, the Lesser Himalaya called as Himachal. Himachal and foothills. Shivalik or foothills. So this one, Himadri, Lesser Himalaya. So it's called as a Outer Himalaya. This is called as a Central Himalaya, Middle Himalaya. Okay, no? Lesser Himalaya or Himachal and foothills, southern part of India. Remember, students. So yes, we discuss about the mountain ranges. These are young fold mountains. Yes, students. So this is Himalayan ranges, a group of young fold mountains, a chain of mountains located in the northern frontier of India. So these group of young fold mountains means Himalayas consist of Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik range. Here remember, students, we can divide into 3 divisions. One, second one. Yes, this is foothills. Yes, this one Himachal. This is Himadri. Yes. So Himadri, which is located in more than 6,100 meters above the sea level. Yes, remember, Himadri, Greater Himalaya, Himadri located 6,100 meters above the sea level, Himadri region. So Himachal is a Central Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and also called as a Lesser Himalaya, which is located between Himadri and foothills. Himachal located between Himadri in the north, foothills in the south, between Himachal. So Himachal, it is located 1,500 to 4,500 meters above the sea level. Himachal, Central Himalaya or Himachal region, located extends from 1500 meters to 4500 meters above the sea level. Foothills of the Himalayas. So foothills located in southern part of Himalaya. This foothills of Himalaya starts from 600 to 1500 meters above the sea level. You see that Himalayan ranges. So I will explain one by one later. First I will explain about that Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Okay students, now I will explain about Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Why it is called as Himadri? Dear students, you should know this is called as Himadri. Why this is called as Himadri? Because the Greater Himalaya covered with snow throughout the year. What it is? It is covered with snow throughout the year. That's what. Hence it is called as a Himadri. Always snow falling this region. This region located 6100 meters above the sea level, which is Greater Himalaya located 6100 meters above the sea level. This is one. Its width of Himalayas or Greater Himalaya Himadri width starts from 60 to 82 kilometers width. Width varies from 60 to 80 kilometers width. This is one. This Greater Himalaya consists of, remember, this Greater Himalaya or Himadri consists of peaks. This consists of highest peaks. This Greater Himalaya consists of Greater Himalaya consists of glaciers. Yes, this Greater Himalaya consists of passes. Yes, students. Student, you should know that Greater Himalaya consists of peaks, highest peaks. So now Greater Himalaya or Himadri, it is a inner, it is a continuous, it is highest peaks, highest ranges are there in this Greater Himalaya or Himadri. This Himadri located northern part of Himalayan region. So it's located in 6100 meters above the sea level up to highest level 8848 meters above the sea level, that is highest mountain peak in the world, the Mount Everest. So minimum starts ranges, Himadri starts from 6100 meters above the sea level and its width varies from 60 to 80 meters, kilometers width. 60 to 80 kilometers width. And this Greater Himalaya consists of peaks, consists of glaciers, consists of passes. They ask too much question. Write a short note on Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Name the peaks of Himadri. List out the glaciers of Himadri. List out the mountain passes in the Himadri region. Student, you should know that important peaks. Greater Himalaya consists of highest mountain peaks. The first one, Mount Everest. Yes, Mount Everest. This is one. Second one, K2 Mount Godwin Hustain. Third one, Kanchanajunga. Maakalu. Nanda Devi. Gauri Shankar, etc. Maakalu, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Annapurna, Gauri Shankara. Okay, no? So like many highest mountain peaks are in the Himadri region. Okay, no? And Mount Everest, which is called as highest mountain peak in the world, the height of Mount Everest, 8,848 meters above the sea level. It is the highest mountain peak in the world, which is located between Nepal and Tibet. This is Mount Everest. And K2 or Karakoram range second, or Mount Godwin and Austin, it is the highest peak in India. So this is 8,611 meters above the sea level. Same way, Kanchanajunga, Mount Everest, Mount Godwin and Austin, highest mountain peak in India, second highest mountain peak in the world, and first highest mountain peak in India, that is K2, Karakoram range second. Next, Kanchanajunga is the second highest peak in India, third highest peak in the world. Which is the third highest peak in the world? Kanchanajunga. Second highest peak in India? Kanchanajunga. This is Kanchanajunga, 8,559 meters above the sea level. Like that, 8,410 meters above the sea level. Like that, 8,170, 8,000. Yes. So these are the highest. Not only these, many etc. Many are there. Mount Everest, Mount Godwin Austen, Kanchanjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri. One more, Dhaulagiri. Dhaulagiri also is there. Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, Nanga Parbat, Gauri Shankara. So these are the highest mountain peaks in the world. And coming to that, dear students, and Himadri is also located. Greater Himalaya, Himadri is also consist of glaciers. Two important glaciers. One is Gangotri Glacier and Yamunotri Glacier. Gangotri one, second one is Yamunotri. Yes, these are the glaciers are located in the Greater Himalaya. Dear students, and also many mountain passes are in that Himadri region and Himalaya, Greater Himalaya. So which are that mountain passes? Shipkila, Jalapla, Jojila, Shipkila, Jalapla, Jojila, Burjila. Yes, these are the mountain peaks located in Greater Himalaya. Come to main point, students. Once again, Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Why it is called as Himadri? Because the Greater Himalaya, this region covered with snow throughout the year. That's what it is called as a Himadri region. Because snow falling throughout the year. Always 12 months snow falling in this region. The Greater Himalaya covered with snow throughout the year, so it's called as the Himadri. Okay, now this is that Greater Himalaya located 6,100 meters above the sea level. Width varies from 60 to 82 kilometers. Okay, now, and also this Greater Himalaya consists of highest peaks, consists of glaciers, consists of mountain passes. The Greater Himalayas it is a continuous, it is the highest ranges in the world. It is the highest ranges in the world. It is inner, it is continuous. And also remember, students, this Mount Everest in Nepal called as Sagarmatha. What is that? The name of Mount Everest in Nepal country, Sagarmatha. The same way, it is called as one more, Chimulungma in Tibet. Mount Everest called as Chemlungma in Tibet. It is called as Sagarmatha in the Nepal. and also there. So this is information, and it is also called as a Trans Himalaya. Why it is called as a Trans Himalaya? Greater Himalaya also called as a Trans Himalayas. Remember students, the mountains lies towards the northwest of the Himalaya. Mountains lies toward that northwest of Himadri, hence it is called as a Trans Himalaya. Why it is called the Trans Himalayas? The mountains lies towards northwest. Mountain lies towards the northwest to the Himadri. That's what is called as a Trans Himalayas. And Mount Godwin-Austen RK2, highest mountain peak in India. The first highest mountain peak in India. This is Mount Godwin-Austen RK2, and second highest mountain peak in India, that is Kanchenjunga. So these are the information about the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. This is one first parallel ranges of Himalayas. The next class I will explain about second parallel ranges, that is Lesser Himalaya, and third one foothills of the Himalayas. Thank you students.